what I'm talking about. Brooke Valentine.
Remember when I said I was surprised?
Jesus
really
Christ.
Woo! I'm really excited.
I'm really excited about this too.
I'm really excited about this.
You have a sniper in submission style. You have the deadliest kicks in the game. And then you have two of the most rambunctious, fun-loving, and just plain old joyful women on the other side. Yeah, super powerful. And Thick and Juicy versus Team Deadly.
Come on now, Brooke.
Crazy contrast of styles. A wonderful match. I cannot wait.
Also, can we please give it up for Miss Faye Jackson?
Oh, Faye. You know, Faye retired from the ring.
All right, now you ain't Steven Seagal now. Bringing the fingers back.
Show. And I can't believe she's here. I am so honored.
Okay, there you go, bro.
Feeling each other out. The queen bee.
This is.
And you know what?
Oh, wow.
Thick and juicy.
That's how I like my steaks. Wow, what a takedown by Jordan Blade.
You know, this is Brooke's first match back since her knee injury.
Yes,
and she
yes.
told me she is feeling so good.
Willow.
She's so excited to be here. Especially with her girl, Willow Nightingale.
Yes. Oh,
there you
there's
go.
that power from Queen Bee.
She has not missed a beat.
No. Oh. Oh.
Oh, those ads, boy.
Train rolled in.
The crowd.
There you go.
Great. I'm sorry, I popped.
Sidewalk slam.
Someone in the crowd just yelled, "She's a Brooke house." That's incredible.
Somebody said that they love the juicy one. That's right.
Jordan Blade. Ducks under. Oh, wow.
There you go.
The power.
Not like
The
that.
strength.
Fall away slam.
Now that was not only effective, it was smart. She threw her into her own corner.
That's right.
Cutting the ring off.
Uh-oh, wait.
Oh, wow, what a forearm. Here we go, Willow.
Back to Willow.
If anybody can match how hot Masha Slamovich is, it's Willow Nightingale. Oh! Stereo hip thrust.
Feeling juicy. Willow.
Oh, Janai's in the ring.
Going for Janai.
Suplex. Oh,
Oh,
turns those heads,
the
baby.
suplexes.
And another one.
There's another one.
We go for it.
Three amigos. Or in this, three amigas. Oh, jumping hip thrust to the midsection.
Oh, backbreaker.
Really nice backbreaker there.
Willow Nightingale all over Janai Kai. Oh,
Somersault.
using her fundamentals. Oh, first a rolls it across body. I would be doing no justice if I didn't mention the match Janai Kai just had with me and him at ETU. You talk about tearing the house down. It could be what's affecting her now because she's not been in control whatsoever.
Oh, what's this?
That definitely plays a part in it.
Oh, twisting them arms back.
Girls also not discount Thick and Juicy.
Got her again.
Oh,
Wait,
no.
Janai. Oh my goodness. Here we
That's
go.
what Janai needed.
You talk about
went for the bad knee.
Harvard,
Ooh.
Yale, Princeton. Those are Ivy League educated feet. for Janai Kai.
Yeah, she's skilled in Muay Thai, kickboxing.
I'm just saying, this girl a kickboxer. I was like, I don't want to assume she got
Queen Bee just fell.
Oh, that sounds like a car wreck.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, wow. Long strike.
Yeah, she knows some martial arts. She throwing them type of kicks and chops. You know.
Yeah, she went after that knee. She went after that knee. Oh, my goodness. Oh, wow.
Now Brooke's on her feet though.
Brooke is not happy.
There you go, Brooke's not gonna ask. Oh, come on.
Those hands.
Oh, those chops, boy.
Those hands are just as deadly.
Oh, Janai talking a little
Oh,
bit.
my God.
Before she gives her another palm strike.
Oh.
Oh boy.
Ducks again. Brooke can't catch her. Janai's too fast.
All right, this woman thinks she's tongue po or something. Now you ain't tongue po now. And Van Dam said he was kicking the wall.
Oh my goodness.
No, that ain't it. Come on now.
Teamwork of Team Deadly really showing off right now.
I think that momentary lapse is what allowed Brooke to kick out.
Absolutely.
And this girl got the
ref had to pause and
MMA
be
trunks
done.
on. These girls know some martial arts. Yeah, come on, Brooke. Get off that floor now. Get off that floor. Get off that mat.
Oh, no way. She's going for a German.
There you go.
Wow.
That's how you do it.
Look at,
Now. Start going for the clutch choke. Nuh-uh.
Keep
Now.
it for the rope. Oh, you
All
got
the ropes is right there. Get up, turn her loose now.
Brooke was in a lot of trouble right there. Ooh, a little taunting to Willow. 3 of these ladies making their AEW debuts just this year.
Yes. Jordan Blade and Brooke Valentine.
Yeah, Willow's in AEW.
Right.
Need to get Brooke up there.
Brooke is not letting up, and I love it.
Oh, a clothesline.
What a clothesline.
Oh.
She went for that massive leg drop and missed.
All right now. You ain't
Oh my goodness.
what's his
Turn her
name?
all over. Repositioning her.
You ain't Ken Shamrock,
By
man.
Jordan Blade.
Turn that
They were
loose.
calling for an ankle breaker for nothing.
Look at her. She's trying to.
Needs to watch out.
Oh!
There you go.
Turn the table. She turned the table.
Ooh, reverse card. Right on Jordan.
And hold her there real good. That's good for her.
Jordan.
Oh, she slipped out. She lucky.
Oh, now she got the arm bar.
Jordan's Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu training is really coming.
Oh, no, look. Brooke being smart, just pressing those shoulders down. Janai with the tag.
Oh, man.
Keep that leg right from under her. Oh, and it's strong. Oh, my. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it sounds like a baseball bat is hitting Brooke Valentine every time Janai kicks her.
Ooh-wee. Okay, that camera view
Still
now.
behind Brooke
Jesus.
here.
Okay, that camera view was serious just then.
Look at the fury here. Oh, my
Come
goodness.
on, Brooke. Let this girl beat your tail. There we go.
Fix that ankle.
Nice.
Got her up.
There you go. Throw her on that mat. Oh.
Brooke with that fall forward slam.
You gotta tag your partners. You've been in there for a minute now. There she is.
Willow's in. Jordan's in.
And here we go.
Ducks under. Oh.
Smart.
Oh.
Take it out tonight.
This girl here is something else.
There's that cartwheel. Ducks under.
That cartwheel
Pushes
is
forward.
Willow's not having it. Pounce! Shades of, what's his name? Monty Brown. Spinebuster. Is that it? Dang, that's not it.
Back and forth this match goes. Looking for Samoa, no. Oh gosh, she nailed that Achilles causing her to drop.
Oh! Huge kick to the back, Willow Nightingale.
Oh, here we go.
Wow, this girl here.
Oh my goodness.
Now. Oh, broke it up. Yeah, I'm glad she broke it up.
A split second longer, the match would have been over.
Brooke saved her just in the nick of time. I swear, I've never seen kicks that fast in my life.
She is it's ridiculous.
What is this?
Oh,
that was a good one.
Oh, Willow's fired up.
Oh!
Wow.
Spear, there you go.
Cut her in half.
Don't get rid of her now.
That's it.
That's good for you. That roll in the corner was something serious. No, she said them kicks, boy. Oh, that was a good one. I need to get in there. No, but I wish.